Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. This is day 2 of electrical wire install. So right here I am drilling holes so that my husband can go through with the wire. So as I'm drilling, he's starting to go ahead and push the wire through, and right here he's just pulling some of the wire out so that way he can go over the door.
Getting electricity done. Running every wire through these brand new walls tonight. Measuring twice so everything is sitting right. Off-grid dreams are coming closer with each line. Every connection brings our future into sight, yeah. Side by side, we're building more than just a home. One more day of hard work, now the finish line is known. Fire up the generator, let the power lead the way. Running all the tools while it keeps the heat away. Cooling off together after working through the day. Every little sacrifice is worth it when we stay. One more step and every dream is coming true. Getting electricity done.
So right here I was having a little issue getting the drill through. I believe it was either two 2x4s or maybe 3 2x4s, and it wasn't going through for me, so my husband came over to help me get it through.
Me and you, family all together, getting every breaker right. Checking every outlet before we call it night. Laughing through the sweat because the future's looking bright. Every helping hand is making heavy work feel light. Soon these walls will shine with every switch we throw. Love is in the labor, and it always seems to show. Sweep the sawdust off the floor before we call it done. Pick up all the scraps beneath the setting sun. Coil the cords and put the ladders where they belong. Cleaning every corner while we're singing one more song. Another day of electrical install in the books. Hard work written proudly in these weather looks.
And so right here, I don't know what my son was doing. He knew the camera was on and he was just standing there doing something. So now he want to shoot at that camera. He's so silly.
Tomorrow we'll flip the switch and celebrate as one. Together we kept pushing till the job was done. Getting electricity 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 done.
And right here my husband is doing the wiring for the electrical socket. And now I'm just going around showing you guys some of the wiring that my husband already did to the sockets. I think it was like maybe 3 walls, I'm not sure, maybe 2, but just going around showing which ones that was actually completed so far. We still have to do some more, as you can see, but we're getting closer to the finish line. And then we still have to do this side over here. This is by the bathroom, but we're still going, and he's over there just working away getting it completed, and we'll be done in no time. So he ended up putting up tarp on the roof, well, the ceiling, because we have the air on and we wanted to keep the air down to where we were. We have reached day 3, finishing up. So I'm going around picking up trash, put them in the bag so I can get things out the way, so we can get just a little bit tidier in here.
The last wire's in, now the hard part's through. Every drilled out wall tells the dream came true. We laid every line, gave it all we had. Now we're smiling wide, thinking about the path. One more walk through before we call it done. From sunrise work to the setting sun, we're cleaning up the mess we made today, picking up the trash, putting it away. Dust everywhere, but we're still alright, moving things out the way till the room feels right. Every little step shows how far we've come, cleaning up together now the job is done. Broom in one hand, dustpan in the other, side by side leaning on each other, sweeping every corner nice and slow, watching all that hard work finally show. Cleaning is how we go, with a grateful heart. A brand new chapter's getting ready to start. Dust flying everywhere through the light, floating in the air like a late night sky, moving things out the way one by one, making room to see what we become. Every sweep brings peace into this place, every smile says we won this race.
Now I'm getting ready to go around and start sweeping the dust particles from when we was doing all the drilling, to get that out the way, because there was a lot of dust, and we know that we need to clean it up so we can get more work done.
Every switch is waiting for the morning sun. Breaker after breaker, everything's in place. Lights are coming alive, shining on every face. The generator carried us until this hour. Now we flip the switch and we have power. Nailing electrical boxes one by one in line, drilling holes for the wire, every run is right on time. Running every circuit, making every connection true. Building something stronger with everything we do. From the panel to the walls, every spark tells our story. Now we have power, living in the glory. Teamwork makes the dream work, that's the way we move. Every hand together keeps us locked in the groove.
It's almost as if I get one part done and then I look over and I see that there's some more, so I just trace back to go get the remaining dirt or dust that I see and do it over again.
You measure, I install, we finish side by side. Nothing feels impossible with family as our guide. Every wire we pull is another dream inside. Standing on our future underneath these lines.
It's so much dust particles in here. I'm just trying to make sure I get as much as I can in each section. I'm going section by section and not doing too much so that way dust don't fly everywhere.
Sun keeps blazing, it's burning outside, but the air conditioner keeps us cool inside. Cold air flowing while the hard work goes on. Sweat on our brow, but our hope stays strong. Power in the wall, peace in the room. Every day's labor starting to bloom. Generator resting, its job is complete. Now electricity's dancing to the backbeat. We have power. We have power. We have power, yeah. We have power.
Alright, it's the moment of truth. About to see if it works. I love you, baby. And it works. Yay! All right. Take a bow, baby. Take a bow.
Take a bow.
You gonna do it when I turn the camera around. Whew. So we have the wiring done. So this is where everything I have in the half bath, and then over here inside the master will be our bath.
You got the generator for that one?
No, I'm ready.
Is it ready?
Okay, so we are finished for today. We didn't really have to do much, but I'll finish up the wiring. Electrical will be tested out, and it works perfectly. So thankful for that. And I'm excited. It's a slow process, but it'll be worth it in the end. But another day, another one down, and I guess we'll see you guys next time. Bloodline Lakers. Peace, guys.